Hi guys, I think it's Wednesday afternoon. I'm on top of a bridge just south of Brunswick, Georgia. Big old bridge, a couple of miles long. Been battling massive headwinds all day. I think I've only ridden, let's see, I've ridden about 52 miles today. For this time of day, that's kind of short. I'm probably 30% off or so. The headwind's been a bitch. A couple of little rainstorms out here. I'm not sure if this one's gonna get me or not. I've had a little spot rain. The headwind slowed me down. Not for my lack of performance. Wind to just slow you down. It's more resistance. Beautiful view from atop this bridge here. Brunswick, Georgia out here, where I come from. This Highway 17. I'm still looking to make Florida tonight. I don't know if I'm going to make Jacksonville, but I will be in Florida yet this afternoon. It'll be late. I think I've got about 45 miles to hit the Florida state line. The wind and rain, the rain don't bother me. It really cools me off. It's warm enough. It's in the 80s and humid as hell, so the rain's somewhat of a blessing. The traffic's a little bit of a bitch. The shoulders on Route 17 here, this is a designated bike route, so most of the shoulders are pretty good. There's a couple of rural areas that aren't the greatest, but you know, I put on a good tail light, put my tail light on, throw some tunes on. I'm rocking out some Probot right now. Check out Probot if you like some heavy metal and some good metal, man. Rock out to some Probot and forget about what's out here, you know? I mean, it's just, what do I call it? It's an obstacle. That's all. It's an obstacle. Don't have my glasses on right now because the wind, I don't want to have them blow away. I wore contacts today. They're a little bit dusty, but that's all right. That's all right. I'm gonna get back to biking. I'll talk to you guys a little later. And just remember, you know that Hurricane Irma? Fuck that bitch. She better take her ass back to sea, because I'm gonna run her off. Don't you worry, all you friends in Florida. She's gonna go away. Have faith. All right? Have a great day. Talk to you soon.